Hello, crazy coders. Welcome to the part 3 of our discussion on why Python is so popular despite being recognized as one of the slow language. And in the previous videos, we talked about the history and philosophy of this language, and today we'll talk about the power. And in the history section, we talked about who created it, when, initial releases, and also the timeline of the releases of various versions of the Python and the features. And also in the second part, we talked about the philosophy and the definition we have gone through, and we also talked about the PEP 20 Zen of Python design document. So if you haven't watched it, please do check out, link will be in the description. So in today's video, we'll talk about its power, that is what can you do with it, tools, technologies, etc. So let's begin. So as we know, Python is a general purpose language. That means Python can be used in lot of industries and has so many applications and is used across lot of industries. Some major use cases include web development, mobile development, data science, GUI application development, which is graphical user interface, computer vision, image processing, which you can see in self-driving cars, and we have game development, we have ML AI deep learning frameworks also available, and we have robotics as well for automation testing, and there are a lot of many more applications. These are just a handful of and yeah, we'll go through some of the frameworks that are available for each type of development. So in the web, we have these frameworks: Django, Hug, Bottle, Cherry Pie, Dash, Falcon, Flask. These are so powerful, and some of them are for very specific and micro web frameworks, which are very good for small. Django, as we know, it is used in Instagram, which is very powerful, and some of these are open source, and a lot of these are open source. If you think something is missing, you can add to it without going through the burden of creating entire framework. So yeah, that's for web. And for app development, we have Kiwi, Beware, RenPy, PyQt5. PyQt5 is also used for geo application, and you have PyQt deploy, I think, to turn it into an app. So yeah, these are the app development frameworks. And the data science section, we have NumPy, Matplotlib, SciPy, Scrappy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Pandas. So NumPy used for matrix calculation, which stands for numerical Python, advanced matrix calculation. SciPy for scientific calculation, Matplotlib for visualizations, and Scikit-learn for modeling, Pandas for data wrangling, Scrappy for data collection. So entire data science pipeline is available. All the frameworks are available with only one language, so it is considered as a very important language for data science if you are going for data science rules. And in the ML, that is machine learning, AI deep learning section, we have Keras, PyTorch, TensorFlow, Theano. These are very powerful, and a lot of industries are using it. So yeah, in the GUI section, we have tkinter, VxPython, and also there are a lot more. These are just top 2-3. The game development section, we have Gillette and Pygame. These are just popular ones. There are many options available. In the robotics section, we have Dart, Robot Framework, and also there are many more. So yeah, the main strength and the power of Python, according to me, is its community. Being an easy to code and open source language, people are actively contributing useful libraries to this language, which is making it powerful day by day. And even you can contribute it and make your life easier and others' life easier by creating useful libraries. That's why Python is so widespread. A lot of people are contributing for others and for themselves as well. So Python is also a lot of future, and we'll talk about that in our next section, which is market. That's it from this video. If you enjoyed it, like and share with your friends, and consider subscribing so that you don't miss such type of amazing programming content. And thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead, and we will catch you up in the next video.